Is that medication there? So then ang medication. The other electrode can be placed anywhere, ever. So nearer sa card. So if ever there.
Dili mo matter sir kung near or far ang consumption.
Yo, pero a little bit farther lang kaysa kay near kay makakuha yung car. Yan na. Okay, so you're going to look now with your electrode there. So, okay. So, sakto bang electrode nga under ang imong medication? Sakto di. Sakto di. Sakto. Sure? Sure? Okay, again. If ever you have a machine that has a reversal polarity switch, if ever take note, kung na kay machine nga na reversal polarity switch, don't automatically assume kung black gani na siya nga cathode yun na siya. Here ha, kung ang imong machine na reversal polarity switch, don't automatically assume kung black gani is always cathode. Okay, pwede switch to siya to another polarity. But if ever ang inyong machine wala reversal polarity switch, so that would be the time that automatically would say na ang black gani is cathode. Here. So, here before you're going to say it's cathode, you have to check the reversal polarity switch. Here. So, check that. This is the red. The red now is what? Cathode. Negative. So, therefore, di ni siya mao. Gaji. So, di ni siya mao nga electrode. So, what will you do? Okay, so you don't have to remove that, you just have to reverse the polarity. Here. So pag reverse the polarity, so the red now becomes what? Positive. Then the black would now becomes cathode. Here. So wala siya. So after that, you place this to your G. Okay, with regards to iontophoresis, stated there, the constant direct current. Hindi siya interrupted. Here, constant siya. So, what you just do, kay constant na siya, you don't have to set anymore your pulse duration, your pulse interval, as well as your surge. No more. You just directly adjust your time, how many minutes, if ever you want 5, then adjust the intensity. Okay, sir, I'm going to start now. So, there. Na kayo na-feel? Ano?
Large muscle group.
Ano? Okay na. So, there. So, ang imong, your basis there nga enough ng intensity is that if ever patient now can feel the current. You don't have to let it nga mo contract siya. Don't wait nga mo contract siya. Although, di kay advisable nga mo contract siya because what siya resting is constant siya. So, enough na siya that patient can feel now the current nga, matolerate niya ang current. So, enough na niya siya for your intensity setting. So, meron siya, iontophoresis. Simple as that. Kira? Okay, so that's your iontophoresis. Back. Okay. If ever, in case you also would want to introduce your zinc, so what do you do? Kung zinc, on that area, kung zinc ang inyo introduce, it should be placed at which electrode? Okay, so anode. So what will you do? So you just have to reverse that one. Okay? So if you already have your zinc sulfate here, so if ever negative, if the red is positive, so the black would be negative. Tansa. So yung ito. If the red is positive, a while ago, yung sa ito na ito, positive to siya. We're going to reverse this one. Zinc ato introduce, so it should be positive ang imong. So the black should be positive. Sakto na siya. So the black should be positive. Here, or the black should be anode. Kung zinc ang imong introduce. Here, kung zinc ang imong introduce here, kadiri man ang area nga affected. zinc sulfate nga component or zinc man mo introduce. So your your electrode should be an anode there. So therefore the black there should be anode. Naka-G. Anode yun siya. So how we're going to switch that to anode is that your red should be what? Cathode. Para imong black would now be anode. Here. So in this situation, you can introduce now your zinc. Good. Yeah? 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 Questions?